There's a lot of ways to carry a small amount of tools or gear with you for a day ride, or you want to have a day pack. One of our solutions for that is the Gecko Grip tail base harness. My name is Michus. I'm the Supreme Commander of the Cargo Cult and occasional soft luggage designer at Turkana Gear. It is a universal base harness you can use on basically any motorcycle. You can use it on superbikes, on tourists, on cruisers, and the benefit of this is that you can strap it down to any motorcycle, or the majority of motorcycles. But then on top of it, there's tie down points. So if you have your own pouches or bags, you can strap it down onto this base. But you can also strap one of our 3-liter Bush babies with a waterproof inner onto the base. You can go up to a 15 or a 20-liter that you can strap onto this base. So you can pack whatever you want, how you want to pack it to a bike, just using this base of ours. The same thing applies. You can repair it anywhere, because like all of our other motorcycle gear, we make stuff to last. You can adjust this any which way you want. You can fit 2 water bottles onto it, the 3-liter up to the 15-liter. You can place this on the rear of the bike in its length. You can place it on its width. You can tie it down to pannier racks. You can put it on top of a pannier if you need packing there, easily removable. And then you can also carry it with you if you get to a place. One of the reasons we did that is that there's no zips onto it. So if you do a lot of dirt and you pack tools and everything in here, zips eventually will go if it gets exposed, like the majority of little tail bags or 3-liter or 5-liter tail bags. But there's no zips on this thing. And whatever you tie to it, whether it's a tool bag or a day ride's worth of clothing that you put in here, there's no zip. So it will last probably as long as you can ride. This thing will be with you. And we've got 4 tie down straps that's already onto the base. There's a carry handle for it. Cost effective way of using one system for different motorcycles and different activities, whether you're riding enduro or adventure, or you're on a cruiser or maybe a superbike. You just need to pack your rain suit into the gear, or a tire repair kit into it. We've got 3 different harnesses in this range: the Gecko Grip tank back and tail pack harness, which is a small harness, then a bigger harness, and then this universal tail pack and pannier rack harness. So check them out.